Looks like strong news right across the board. What stood out for you? What led the way?
I think, first and foremost, the U.S. same-store sales went up 4.2%. That benefited a little bit from the SNAP benefit at the end of January. So ex that, they would have been up 3.8%. I think the second thing for us is and your anchors just spoke about this, the gross margins were stronger than expected within each of the three operating segments. And then finally, e-commerce continued to be very healthy, up 43%. That helped the comp by close to 2 points. So, Walmart continues to execute very well.
Is there any way to get our arms, Chuck, around the question of whether this is a rising tide, that in fact their overall retail sales were up? Because we had retail sales numbers that were disappointing. Are they beating that tide? Are they doing a better job because of the investments they've made? Or in fact, is the retail consumer in better shape than we thought?
No, I think it's. Listen, I don't want to take anything away from Walmart here. They had a great quarter, but if you go back and look at what Target said about the holidays last month, their holiday sales were up close to 6%. There was a number of retailers that have reported very healthy same-store sales in the holiday period. So I know the numbers from the census last week were confusing, and we're still trying to digest exactly what they were saying there. But even Amazon had very healthy numbers a couple of weeks back. So I think this is a rising tide type of situation. The question on everybody's mind is how sustainable it is into 2019 and 2020.
Well, fair. And I was going to ask, the implied open for Walmart now is over 104, so above your price target. So why don't you have a higher price target or be a buy rating?
We'll look at our numbers today as we digest for 2019. Walmart did back the guidance that they provided at their October meeting. In terms of the rating, we'd prefer other names that we think benefit from the trend here in retail, particularly the dollar stores, Dollar General and Dollar Tree. And the real reason really for the hold rating on Walmart is simply valuation. The stock's trading at over 20 times earnings, and with very little earnings power, it's just a little bit expensive for us.